Sadhana, President of Inner Wheel Club of Adyar. Sadhana's moral navigation is as strong as a compass. Sadhana has a strong value system. She always knows what is morally most important. Just like a compass, whenever in doubt, she can tell you what direction to go in. Swetha Balaji, President of IWC Ambur. Swetha Balaji is as determined as an ant. An ant is a symbol of strength, diligence, willpower, honesty, unity, patience, determination, stamina, sacrifice, and loyalty. Despite its minute size, the ant, as a spirit animal, possesses an immense strength of accomplishment, reminding you that nothing comes easy in life without putting any effort. Swetha Balaji possesses all of these qualities and is definitely the most hardworking and determined person I know. Priya Ramesh, President of Inner Wheel Club, Chennai, Adya. Priya is as persistent as a tortoise. She will overcome all obstacles and not stop until she reaches the finish line. Priya never gives up. Shraddha, President of Inner Wheel Club Central Elite. Bird of Paradise symbolizes joy and paradise. Shraddha brings joy wherever she goes. This tropical flower, also known as the crane flower, also represents faithfulness, thoughtfulness, and love. Her team would agree that through thick and thin, Shraddha is always by their side. Prema Ramesh, President of Inner Wheel Club of Chennai Galaxy. Prema Ramesh is as rooted as an oak tree. The oak tree's extensive root system anchors it against storm conditions and allows it to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Its roots are the source from which the visible tree's greatness springs. Prema's integrity and vision are like the roots of the oak tree, invisible to the eye but distinguishing her from the crowd. Malati Santosh, President of Inner Wheel Club, Chennai, Gemini. Malati is as nurturing as the rain. Rain restores the limpid glory of newborn leaves. It makes the rivers flow. In the vicinity of Malati, your mood will become light and your life will start to glow. A. Sarita, President of Inner Wheel Club, Chennai Golden Sun. Sarita is as resilient as a mountain goat. Mountain goats climb the steepest of the slopes and make it look absolutely effortless. Sarita completes every project given to her and makes it look like cakewalk. Sarita has social service as her main priority. Soumya Raghavan, President of Inner Wheel Club Chennai, KK Nagar. Soumya is as observant as an antelope. Quiet, observant and thoughtful, but holds enough strength to slay a lion. One can always depend on Soumya as she is eager to take up responsibilities. Manju Bagla, President of Inner Wheel Club Chennai, Korattur. Manju is a survivor like a camel. She can survive the harshest of conditions and never give up. Never does she stop. Manju is like a camel. Throw a storm at her and she will emerge riding the wind. Sai Durga Sridhar, President of Inner Wheel Club Chennai, Nolambur. Sai Durga is as graceful as a swan. Swans represent purity. They symbolize letting go of all negative thoughts. Sai Durga is like a swan with a positive energy and willingness to look for the silver lining in situations that are less than ideal. Energizing the environment around her, Sai Durga has a pure aura.